In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of restore from iCloud paused. This is quite a common problem, but don't worry, I'll walk you through a few easy solutions to get everything back on track. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the issue could be as simple as an unstable connection. Head over to your settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a strong and stable network, as a weak or fluctuating signal might interrupt the restore process. If you notice anything strange or sluggish about your connection, you can try toggling your Wi-Fi off and then on again. This quick reset can often resolve minor connectivity problems. Next, it's crucial to ensure your iPhone is plugged into a power source. Restores might pause if your device is running low on battery to conserve energy, so grab your charger and connect it. With your phone charging, any battery-related interruptions to the iCloud restore are likely to be minimized. Now let's move on to resuming the iCloud restore manually. Go back into your settings and tap on your name at the top of the screen. From there, navigate to iCloud and then iCloud Backup. You should look for any indication that shows a restore paused message. If it's there, you'll have the option to tap on Resume Restore. This option might not always be clickable, but give it a shot. It's an easy way to nudge the process back into action. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your iPhone. It might sound simple, but restarting can fix a multitude of glitches. To do this, press and hold the power button along with the volume down button until you see the option to slide to power off. Once the phone is completely off, go ahead and turn it back on. This refreshes the device and may kickstart the restore process once it's back up. Finally, if restarting doesn't help, it's possible there's not enough space on your device to complete the restore. Free up some space by going to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you get an overview of how your storage is being used. Consider deleting any unused apps or files that are taking up room. Once you've freed up sufficient space, check again to see if the restore now proceeds smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the restore from iCloud paused issue. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.